Plant FAQs, Philodendron Caramel. Philodendron Caramel, a beginner's guide. Hi, Ferb here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Philodendron Caramel, a stunning houseplant known for its unique foliage. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your indoor jungle, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for this beauty. See more at 623 species in genus philodendronmonsteraholic.com. What is a philodendron caramel? The philodendron caramel is a tropical climbing vine native to the rainforests of South America. It boasts heart-shaped leaves with a captivating blend of colors. The base hue is a cool, refreshing blue-green, overlaid with mesmerizing streaks and patches of caramel brown. The leaves have a glossy sheen and boast a lightly serrated edge, adding a touch of textural interest. Where can I buy a philodendron caramel? Due to its captivating looks, the philodendron caramel has gained popularity in recent years. You can find it at many online plant shops and some local nurseries. Be prepared for a slight price premium compared to more common philodendrons, as its unique variegation makes it a bit rarer. What are the ideal growing conditions for a philodendron caramel? Here's the good news. The philodendron caramel is a relatively easygoing plant. Here's how to create its perfect environment. Light. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Water. Consistent yet moderate watering is key. Aim for the soil to be slightly moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Humidity. As a rainforest native, the philodendron caramel appreciates higher humidity levels. Grouping it with other plants or using a humidifier can create a more favorable environment. Temperature. This tropical beauty prefers warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or cold drafts. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid potting mix or a mixture of regular potting soil with perlite or orchid bark will work well. How do I care for my philodendron caramel? Here are some simple tips to keep your philodendron caramel thriving. Fertilization. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your philodendron caramel with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer once a month. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. Pruning. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and helps maintain a manageable size. You can prune any leggy stems or remove damaged leaves as needed. Support. As a climbing vine, the philodendron caramel benefits from a moss pole or trellis for support. This allows it to climb and grow vertically. Is the philodendron caramel toxic? Unfortunately, yes. Like many philodendrons, the philodendron caramel contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be toxic if ingested. Keep this plant out of reach of children and pets. Common problems with philodendron caramel. While generally low maintenance, here are some potential issues to watch for. Brown leaves. This could indicate underwatering, overwatering, or excessive light exposure. Adjust your watering routine or relocate the plant to a shadier spot. Yellow leaves. This can be a sign of aging leaves or underwatering. Remove yellowed leaves and adjust your watering schedule if needed. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional visitors. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Philodendron caramel marble versus ring of fire. Both are stunning philodendrons with fiery variegation, but in totally different ways. Philodendron ring of fire boasts these long, slender leaves with fiery tips that constantly remind me of dancing flames. It's a vibrant plant, perfect for adding a pop of color, but a little trickier to manage. The leaves are delicate and prone to tearing if I'm not careful while watering or moving it around. The caramel marble, on the other hand, feels like a more luxurious option. The leaves are much wider and have this incredible marbled pattern of creamy white and deep emerald green. It feels substantial and sophisticated in my living room. The downside? Finding a true caramel marble can be a mission, and let's just say my wallet whimpered a bit when I finally snagged one. Philodendron Pluto versus caramel marble. Here's the thing. The Pluto is like the charming, slightly less flashy cousin of the caramel marble. They both have those gorgeous marbled leaves, but the Pluto's variegation tends to be more subtle. Mine has a deeper green base with splashes of creamy white, giving it a more understated elegance. Plus, the Pluto seems to be a bit easier to care for. It thrives on neglect, which is perfect for someone like me who forgets to water things occasionally. Don't get me wrong, the caramel marble is a showstopper. But for the price and the extra attention it needs, the Pluto gives me almost the same stunning look with a bit less fuss. It's the perfect balance of beauty and ease in my book. Conclusion: the Philodendron caramel is a stunning addition to any indoor space. With its captivating foliage and easygoing nature, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. By following these simple care tips, you can ensure your Philodendron caramel thrives and adds a touch of vibrant nature to your home. Remember, happy planting!